Dear students of Standard 10, in the chapter of respiration, today we will discuss a little bit about the respiration in plants. Respiration in plants takes place through diffusion by the different parts of the plants. There is no any transportation takes place of the respiratory gases like in animals. The rate of respirations is also very slow in plants in comparison to animals. Oxygen and carbon dioxide diffuses through the stomata, the lenticles of the bark, intracellular spaces of leaves, and the root hairs, and exchange of gases takes place. The exchange of gases between plants and the surroundings or the environments depends upon the time of the day, temperature of the day, and the uses of gases by the plants. These are the factors that are that depends the respiration rate and respiration of in plants. Plants respire throughout the day, whereas photosynthesis takes place only in the presence of sunlight. In daytime, carbon dioxide produced in respiration by the plants is used by them in photosynthesis. Here got this point. During daytime during photosynthesis, the carbon dioxide produced in the process of respiration by the plants is used by only them during in the process of photosynthesis. So carbon dioxide is not released into the environment at that time. In fact, plants take in additional carbon dioxide from the surroundings or from the environment during photosynthesis, the extra need of the carbon dioxide at that time. Out of oxygen produced in photosynthesis, some amount is consumed by the plants in respiration, only few amounts. The rest of the oxygen is released into the atmosphere through the stomata. So exchanges carbon dioxide here taken by the plants, and oxygen is some amount of oxygen. At that you or we can the remarkable point here, that's why at night when there is no photosynthesis, no oxygen is released. Apart from these, the carbon dioxide produced in respiration is not used by the plants, so it is released to the air or the surrounding environment. That is why not to sleep under the trees at night. So basically we can realize that in daytime, on the whole, the plants releases oxygen and takes place carbon dioxide, and at the night plants releases carbon dioxide and takes oxygen. Root hairs takes oxygen present in the soil by diffusion and passes into the surroundings other cells of the roots. Carbon dioxide is released by the root cells and diffuses into the again in soil. Since the root is involved in the exchange of gases, that's why it is if the land parts remains waterlogged for long time, the plant dies. So some differences in plant and animal respiration is like plants produce some of the oxygen used for the respiration by them. In plants, respiration occurs much slower rate in comparison to the animals. There is a little transport of gases from one part to the another part of the body, unlike in animals. So this is little bit about the respiration in plants.